The ultimate breakfast brunch recipe, soft scrambled eggs and smashed avocado and sourdough toast. It doesn't get better than that, so let's get straight into it. So I've just got my ingredients here for the avocado smash. Avocado, red onion and tomatoes, also some pepper and salt for seasoning. So first of all, we're just going to remove the stone from our avocado. Okay, so now I'm just going to mash the avocado first, and I'm just going to be doing that with a fork. So this is nice and smooth, and I've also got a little bit of texture in there as well. And then we're going to add the tomato. So I'm just going to chop that. And I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. And just throw that in. And the same with the red onion as well. Throw that in. And we're going to just give that a mix. And the colours are looking really nice. I'm just going to crack 2 eggs. Just got a bit of shell in there. There you go. And we're also going to add some seasoning as well. So we're going to sprinkle in some black pepper and a little pinch of salt. We're going to add a little bit of milk as well, and this helps the eggs, the scrambled eggs, become more fluffier. And then we're going to give that a good mix. My frying pan has preheated, and I'm just going to add in a generous amount of butter. And we're just going to let that gently melt. So now I'm going to pour in our beaten eggs in there. I've whisked it enough so it's nice and foamy on top, to add some air into it, and that will help also to make it nice, soft and fluffy. And all we need to do is just pour it in. I've just let that sit in there for about 10 seconds, and then we're going to scramble it. This is smelling really good, really nice, soft, fluffy and buttery. And it's now ready to go onto our toasted sourdough bread. Okay, so I'm also going to just add a little bit of spread on this. Well, why not? And then I'm going to top that with our avocado smash. Just a little bit more. There you go. Then we're going to add our soft scrambled eggs. Like this. And add a bit more to this. You can tidy up later, or you don't have to. And then we're also going to, we like a little bit of spicy kick in our house, so I'm also going to sprinkle some chilli flakes. And we're also going to add a little bit of black pepper. And finish that off with a garnishing of spring onions. And there you go, guys. This is such a delicious, quick, when you're craving for something easy, it's perfect for brunch or breakfast too. I really hope you enjoy this really quick and easy breakfast brunch recipe. Do give it a try. And also, it's been a while since I've mentioned my book, which I recently published. It's the Ramadan Cookbook. Ramadan is, honestly, is just a few months away. Do check it out. The link is in the description below.